Welcome to the Hollyland Quicktech, a series of quick answers for all frequently asked questions about Hollyland series. Today, we are going to show you something different. How to use the buttons of the Lark M1. By pressing the yellow button on the transmitter, you can use the noise cancelling function of the Lark M1 if you think the noise is too loud, like this. To record sounds, press the yellow button. Now the noise cancelling function is enabled. Sounds great, right? But when in a quiet scene, we don't recommend to turn on the denoise function. The Lark M1 provides 3 volume levels. If you want to increase the volume, press the volume up button, or you can just shorten the distance between the microphone and your mouth. If you want to decrease the volume, press the volume down button. You can press and hold the volume down button for 5 seconds to change the operating mode of your mic, the phone mode and camera mode. The phone mode must be enabled if the 2 tracks are processed separately. If you want to mute the microphone, just long press the power button for 5 seconds on the transmitter to turn off it, so only the other transmitter will record the sound. Again, I'm Lola, and this is Quicktech from Hollyland Technology, a series of quick answers for all frequent asked questions about Hollyland products. Make sure to read the Lark M1 quick guide to learn how to operate this system. Thanks for watching this episode and see you next time.